it seems like there's a shift back from FSO towards FSP, and I think there's a lot of drive to really to get expertise in this particular area and really get that functional expertise. I'm not sure it's always the right decision for every organization, but you really see that tendency to sort of do things piecemeal. I want the best possible provider in this best space. But I think it kind of goes back and forth over years. So I think in 5 years, we'll talk about it in a different way. 5 years ago, I think it was a little more on the FSO side, but I think it's really more a fit for purpose decision that really should be about what's right for us right now, our particular company, the way we work, things like that.
So the trend that I'm noticing, and I'm sure everyone's noticing, is just the proliferation of artificial intelligence in all different types of use cases against all different types of spaces in clinical trials. So everyone is trying to use this new technology to provide some type of benefit. I think the use cases and the value are still trying to be sorted out, but there's definitely potential there to really provide a lot of efficiencies and innovation to the process. So that's probably the biggest trend that I'm seeing now.
Seeing a lot of changes in the industry, right? There are a lot of focuses on, at least from the EDC, e-consent, making sure everybody has visibility into the data, which is what my talk really touches on. So yeah, just really seeing people being more involved in the data aspects.
So I've been hearing a lot, not only right now, but also in the previous OCT events that I've been attending. There's a huge emphasis on AI, on technology. And I would say one recurrent topic that comes every single year, it's about how to build stronger collaborations between service providers and the pharmaceutical and biotech industry.
Well, I think the whole topic of patient engagement and now community engagement has truly become, a normal part of daily operational conversations, and that's wonderful to see. And I think a lot of folks are sort of scrambling to figure out how to do these things, and thankfully events like OCT New England help bring some of the key leaders and the service providers in the space to connect with the industry folks who are trying to find those solutions.
Well, funny you asked that, because actually the technology is one of the biggest trends that we see in the industry right now, and how we can leverage artificial intelligence and other technology with clinical trials, and how that actually not only helps the sponsors, but also helps the patients. So I think that's a huge trend that we see things moving toward, just to make life easier for everybody and to make clinical trials more robust and get more information out of them.
I felt like we were back to discussing a lot about fully outsourced versus FSP, and vendor relationships, which is always, I think, for many years, a hot topic that comes and goes. But I noticed that was kind of a big topic for really truly partnering with your vendors.